First, I want to thank you for your interest in joining our pre-startup company, JEDI Prosperity Systems, Incorporated, as a member of its board of advisors. I am Jim Harris, founder of JEDI. During the pre-startup stage of development, my core idea, which is presented in another video in this introductory video series, is being shared and evaluated by future stakeholders, such as yourself, people with an interest in the success and sustainability of the company I am starting. As the founder, of course, I have a long-term strategic goal. My ultimate goal is to build a global $100 million private economic development enterprise that empowers local metropolitan areas to become engines of economic growth. The huge problem that I see and seek to solve by achieving this goal is the lack of economic fairness in our private enterprise system across America. Of course, we continue the fight for equality, but there are fundamental differences between equality and fairness. The goal of equality is to be treated the same, regardless of age, gender, religion, cultural, racial, or national origin. But the goal of economic fairness is to give everyone an opportunity to enjoy a better standard of living or quality of life. It is this disparity in economic opportunity that concerns me. And so the JEDI Fight for Economic Fairness selects aspiring entrepreneurs in targeted zip codes, in selected metro areas, and develops them into successful business owners. In the process, our JEDI Fight for Economic Fairness creates more opportunities for economic gain in low-income zip codes across America. Here in pre-startup, the focus is on idea development. Then, in startup, the focus will be on implementation, actions and activities that create the powerful launchpad and the boosters we need to lift us into a crowded, competitive marketplace. During pre-startup, founders may be added or a founding group may be formed. As the founder, I do not want to send aspiring entrepreneurs into diverse, demanding, sophisticated free marketplaces without the resources they need. Instead, I want to launch high school students, college students, young working adults, and even mature, more experienced adults into a variety of multi-billion-dollar industry battlefields with one shared mission: economic fairness for all Americans, not with a self-employment one-job mindset, but with a job-one team-building and leadership job-creating mindset. Not with a lack of resources mindset, but with a resource-rich passive income mindset. Not with a dream, but a burning desire. Not with a truckload of doubts, but with a truckload of yes, I can. The purpose of this video is to lay the foundation for this idea, which is described more vividly in another video in this introductory series. I want to give you my concept of economic fairness and how it will be used to create prosperity in metropolitan areas throughout America. I have developed a three-part pre-startup process into startup. This process is explained in another video in this introductory series. It provides you with the details of this pre-startup process. Here in pre-startup, the focus is on idea development. Then, in startup, the focus will be on implementation, actions and activities that create the powerful launchpad and the boosters we need to lift us into a crowded, competitive marketplace. That's it for this video. To learn more, watch other videos in this introductory series. Thanks so much for your attention and your interest as an important economic fairness stakeholder.